is programming for the mind. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to be doing while loop using Turtle programming in today's video. Yes, in the previous video, we've learned about for loops, and now we're going to learn about while loop. So what is a while loop? So iteration is a very common is in any programming language. Now one form of iteration in Python is the while statement. The while loop The, the while loop loops through a block of code as long as a specified condition is true. The major difference between the for loop and the while loop is that for loop is used when the number of iteration is known, like 10, 20, 30, whereas execution is done in the while loop until the statement in the program is proved wrong. So what we're trying to say here that while loop is a loop that repeats until whether the program is proved wrong. We're going to move on to the coding part, which is going to be in the next video. Stay tuned till then.